What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make strong acid using the Necrolei Cysts. For this, you'll need to get yourself a processor, which is pretty simple to do. However, figuring out exactly what Necrolei Cysts are is a bit more difficult. Well, all you need to do is head out, and from your base camp / life pod, you'll be heading straight northwest from your life pod over in the direction of the heat resistance angel comb, and in this direction, you'll eventually come across about 400 meters out this big wreck which will be swimming past, and eventually these big tree things. You can't get it here. It's instead at these over here with these little tendrils sticking out. You'll need to use your survival tool to approach and cut the flowers right off of these cysts, giving you one Necrolei cyst each. Each two of these can be turned into one strong acid. So if we head back to base with a few of these collected, for which there's two here, about 300 meters northwest of our life pod, but you've also got a couple more in the northern direction here, up here, etc. This field is quite filled with these. Once you make it all the way back, we can approach our processor, and inside of it we can convert two Necrolei Cysts into one strong acid each over the course of 30 seconds. Over time you'll collect quite a few of these, which you'll use in some crafting recipes. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.